post-COVID, mid-engine sports cars have skyrocketed in value. Here's a few examples. I was lucky enough to find a manual V6 supercharged mid-engine sports car for under $3,000, so I had to buy it. It's Friday, January 23rd. We're driving to Utah because I just found a gem. A mid-engine supercharged two-seater coupe for under $3,000. I had to. My wife was like, you must do it. So here we are. We got the kids in the back. We got the wife here. We got a U-Haul dolly on the back. Driving to Orem, Utah. Hopefully this thing isn't a total turd. I've communicated via messenger to Eli, nice guy, and he sent me some videos and I sent him a deposit. So here we go. Yeah, get some water. We need to clean these windows. Perfect. I'm pretty content with the price I paid and the condition that it's in. I mean, interior, give you a look. Like, everything's there and it's complete. All the gauges are working except the speedometer. The biggest damage area is right there. And good thing it's fiberglass, so it's pretty easy to repair. You're gonna have to polish up the wheels. Get those looking the best that I can, and then get some paint. Make sure the black stuff's black and the gold stuff's gold. And I was struggling to find some of these stickers, the gold edition, but we're gonna see if it still runs after being towed, and give you that cold start bark. I did have to charge the battery because it was left on by myself when I was trying to load it, and I thought it was turned off. But here's that motor, 3.8 liter, pretty clean swap. Nothing's crazy loose or anything, which that's always a good sign when you have a swapped car. Your motor's stable. They installed this ground so you can easily charge it, which I appreciate. And we're gonna see if she barks. Alright, so we got the whole battery charger hooked up. That's how this goes. You know, that's on me. I had this car sitting when it was really cold for about 15 minutes with the heater fan going because I didn't twist this key back. Let me show you. It has a lock and I had it like half cranked, so it was still blowing with the AC. And I should have checked it. But here's the interior, super clean. Oh, that's mine now. I'm in this guy's house. Seats. We got the little wappy wappy. After an hour on the charger, she should have recorded that. Dumped the clutch with it in gear. Back on and take it around. Okay, that is all the way back, Kevin. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room in here. There's plenty of room. How tall are you? 6'5". Sunroof has to be popped. Yeah. No? Alright, no sunroof. Should we go sound performance, max or men? Pick. Let's do max. I like it. Speed up. Still got it. Okay, we'll hopefully get this once we pick this around. Not this round, that one. All right, so it's day 5 technically of Fiero ownership. Let's go ahead and see if she still barks. Hopefully I didn't release all the horse ponies back to the ranch. Last time I started this, I was in gear, so that was slightly embarrassing. But here's my storage unit where I'm storing it. Like nothing, dude. Let's see, clutch. E-brakes on. So I'm gonna let this puppy warm up. So this is it. It's a little like barn. But yeah, I just pulled the Fiero in and that's my spot right there for 50 bucks a month. So that's where it's gonna live when I'm not working on it. I have another car in my garage right now that I'm working on. It's a 79 Trans Am. I sound like a big Pontiac guy. I'm really not. It's just the nature of the beast. That's my dad's high school car. So I'm gonna get that running and functional. And then I'm gonna pull the Fiero in and I'll probably be working on it off and on, but big plans for a little car. That's all I gotta say. All right, so it's been about a month since the little Fiero got into the storage unit. We're gonna fire it up, address what it needs, and take you guys along for a little ride. All right, so we're inside the car. It is 2:58. Come on, focus, buddy. Yeah, 2:58, easy does it. This car is a 4-speed, you can see right here, reverses up and over. The one issue with this car, as far as drivability goes, is this. All right, let me show you. Foot's on clutch, lockout for reverse, right? Give it a little rev drop. I'm lifting the clutch, trying to get to catch. Oh, I also, silly me, I wasn't ambitious. E-brake's off now. The old owner told me as I bought it and was sitting in a church parking lot trying to get the reverse on the trailer because I wanted the weight on the rear. Or I wanted the trailer. I wanted the engine to be on the trailer part. I was sitting there trying to get this to work. He's like, yeah, sometimes you gotta put it in first gear a little bit. Which is that right there. And then clutch is out, clutch is in, pump the clutch. Like there's clearly an issue going on, and there's some lockout mechanism that you can adjust. So that's my main gripe, because right now I gotta do reverse the old-fashioned way. All right, well, this video took a turn due to mechanical failures in a way. So I was gonna take this and go do some smoky burnouts and get some B-roll for you guys. But instead, you can hear it hissing right, where is it? Right here. There's a little slip from a rock because these tires were absolutely demolished. Might be in multiple spots, but I wanted to go burn these off and do a fat burnout. But when I was driving home, I felt a thud, 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 thud. I thought it was rear brakes hanging up or something. Nope, that's what it was. So we're gonna pull it in and end it off here. So, no B-roll.
No B-roll? As Jay the editor, I'll do my own ending. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Want more from the Pontiac Fiero? Stay tuned for the next episode with Anything James YouTube channel.